forgot to put you on speaker. Okay. Okay. So we have Anna here today again. So viewers, hello. The bad news today is um I deleted the creative world again because like I could not have my Minecraft lagging, and viewers, this is a promise. This is a promise that that will that will be the last time I'll actually be deleting stuff like that. So let's do this. World. Okay, let's do this. Creative, yes. Normal, peaceful, no. Cheats, yes. Always date, yes, pretty much. World type flat. Most fair, yes, pretty much. Okay, let's do this. Wait, hold on, I forgot to turn my brightness up on this thing. Okay, let's do this. Brightness, 100. Let's do this. I have to restart. Dang it. Okay. So, say hello, Anna. Do you want to say hello?
Hello.
Yep, that's Anna again. Okay, let's do this. Hello.
Hello.
Actually, you know what? I have an idea. So, Anna, you know the school we go to? Um, as harsh as this may sound, I'm gonna try for the creative episode. I'm gonna try and replicate East Lake Middle. Yeah, I'm gonna try and replicate it.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna try. Hold on, got it. I have to delete the world because I didn't put on flat. Yeah, flat. If it's not on flat, then well. Okay. World. What? Okay, fine. That works too. Because I have terrible spelling. Always say yes. Or type flat. Okay, there we go. That's better. Cheers. So yes, guys, you heard me. I'm going to try. I'm gonna try and replicate my school. It's called East Lake Middle. And guys, if you do wonder where I live, I live in ah, I live in Chula Vista in California apparently. So under distance 14 chunks. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's better. That's a lot better. Okay, so let's see. I think I'm gonna start on the entrance first. Okay, so Anna, uh, what should I use for the stone? Um, what should I use for the ground of the school? What should I use for it? Like gray wall. I think I might do that for the insides. My idea is probably stacking stone slabs because it looks a lot more like it. Yes,
Don't take your medicine, boy.
and we'll be right back. AFK. Ignore the background, everyone. Anna, try and keep them entertained, okay? You don't have to. Can you try and keep them entertained? You don't have to, but it's a little choice decision, okay? And I'm back. Okay. You there, Anna?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's do this.
You know, Dad,
I'm working on the floor right now. Well, at least the tiles or whatever. I'm gotta grab obsidian for the little circle road thingy. Let's get some chain because it's the only thing I can relate to the front door entrance to it. I think I might use some iron doors also because it makes yeah. Let's see. Right now I'm just working on the front of the school. Let's see. I'm gonna grab some stone. Cause stone, yo. No, guys, I'm not a stoner.
she used clay.
Oh, no, that's not ad. Don't mind the background, everybody. What?
Is that Bella Neva?
Yep, pretty much. Let's see. Let's do this. Let's stretch this stone all the way out. Dang it. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yay, no, I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 should be good. It should. It's gonna take forever. My God. But whatever. It's worth it. Let's see.
You should do like part.
What?
You should do like part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4.
Yeah. It's gonna be a multi-part. It's gonna be a multi-part thing. So.
10 parts or 5 or 8.
Actually, who knows how long this is gonna take? Cause like it's a school building, you know. Like we cannot expect it to be like. We cannot expect it to probably be like a 10-part thing. Cause like.
Yeah.
It all. For me, it really just depends on the size of the school. For me, on how long it will take. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There's 1,000 buildings.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, what?
There's the pavilion, the music rooms, the cafeteria.
Oh yeah, those. You know what? Actually, the hardest part for me will probably be the PE yard. You know,
Oh yeah.
the PE.
The solar panels and
Yeah, but guys, I'm gonna and viewers, I'm just gonna tell you now. The PE yard is I think it's like 3 miles big. Was it? I think it was 3 miles big. Or was it 1?
Oh, and one more thing, Noah.
Yeah.
We're gonna do the 2-mile run on semester 2 when we come back from break.
I don't wanna. I have asthma.
I know.
I don't want to do
We're supposed to
that.
run around the whole entire core of PE, and then we have to go outside of the school and then run around it, and that'll be our 2-mile run.
The whole entire school?
Yeah. Well, half of it, but
That's insane.
that's the second lap.
That is absolutely insane.
Yeah, I did that like twice.
Twice? Oh my gosh, I feel so bad. I feel so bad.
Last year, it was horrible.
Oh gosh.
Because we had to run in the summer.
Oh my gosh, I feel so bad for you. I really do.
We're also going to run in spring and summer.
Wait, and summer?
Yeah.
That's gonna be painful, you know? Like, imagine how hot it would be.
It's going to be way before the
Oh.
and then we'll do, and then like I think in February we're gonna do our run.
Oh my gosh. That is insane.
I know.
That-
I think
that
I'm
sounds
not
like
sure
no-
really.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so viewers, I'm just gonna say now. I'm just gonna say now, viewers. What Anna just said about the schedule for that type of stuff. Until that stuff ends, I don't think I'm gonna be making videos because, well, I'm gonna be extremely tired afterwards. You know, because like, yeah.
You should make videos before our tournament starts, and then we'll have to do other tests like the fitness gram testing
The
and
fitness gram. Oh my gosh. The fitness gram is my worst nightmare.
and this will actually include the one mile run with pacers and a lot of running also.
Oh well.
I think it will start like in right after we start semester second.
Wait. Hold on.
We'll start the fitness gram like practices until February, and then I think I don't know really. I forgot the schedule because that.
You have very good memory.
Yeah.
That's better
We're
memory than mine. In fact.
So we do the fitness gram practice test, and then we'll start our 2 mile run. Then the second part of the fitness gram practice test, and then our other one, and then our hour 2 mile run. And then
wait, hold on. We're doing a 2 mile run for an hour.
We have to do the 2 mile run for like 20 minutes.
12 minutes? Oh my gosh.
20 minutes.
Well, there goes my life.
I forgot the minutes that we have to have.
Well, there goes my life.
But hey.
Wait, hold on. Alright, I'm back. My throat was acting weird.
So fitness gram test, like the practice test, and then we'll do our first 2 mile run, and the second practice fitness gram, and then our last 2 mile run, and then our fitness gram test, including with the EOC.
The EOC? Oh my gosh.
Okay,
wait, hold on. EOC already?
Yeah.
It's only been a couple weeks. It's only been a couple weeks since EOC.
Usually the fitness gram practice test lasts for 2 months, and then the other 4 months will be the 2 mile run and blah 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 blah.
By the end of 8th grade, I'm gonna be
usually
dead.
Usually in the middle of the fitness gram practice test, we get to do walking or anything.
Yay.
Between.
Trust me.
In between.
Trust me. By the end of 8th grade, I'm gonna be dead from running.
Yes.
I'm gonna be dead.
You'll be tired by the time you finish the fitness gram and the time of 2 mile runs.
Sounds like Mission Impossible.
And then after the EOT, we'll do our practice promotion on a Friday or Thursday, I'm not sure. And then we'll have the 8th grade picnic party. And then after that, will be our promotion.
Yay.
And then summer break until high school will start. And then they said that if you come a little early, they'll do some party in the beginning. I'm not sure. That's what one of my old friends told me.
Yeah. Sounds like a
we'll
nightmare.
be tired after that. And they said that high school's gonna be a little bit harder because they actually do the 2 mile run first and then the 1 mile run after.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so
That's what my friends told me.
So get this. Right now, right now, I am currently working on the what's it called? I'm you know the entrance to the office on the inside building.
What?
You know the entrance to the office.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting near there.
Okay. And they said that every year they'll start with a 2-mile run, and then they'll end their school grade year with a 1-mile run instead of the EOC practice. That's first thing. So
Hooray!
you'll end up with a 1-mile run after. Well, in 11th grade or 12th, they said they'll do 3 miles or 4.
Oh well.
You see that? So I guess, well, that's what one of my friends told me. One of my other friends told me that in 9th grade you do 1-mile run 4 times. And then in 10th grade you do 2-mile run 4 times.
Oh my gosh.
And then you'll do 3 miles on 11th grade 4 times.
All right, let's end this topic because you're making me sick from that right now.
I know, it's hard because they say that you have to do that or.
I think you literally make me sick from that actually. Sick. Oh
I know.
God. It sounds terrible.
I was like, don't tell me anymore.
Oh, and also, guys, if you haven't already, please, 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 hit or smack or whatever. Just, just hit. Voice.
Maybe some other.
The hit that subscribe button and like button, and leave a comment in the comments below if you want. Vote this channel for president. Nope. Hope, more like nope. At least for me and my channel. Okay, I'm getting to the office entrance really close, and I did auto brake. I think I'm gonna use no, I'm gonna use stone bricks for the. I'm gonna use stone bricks for the what's it called for the wall of the for the entrance of the office sort of thing, almost like the threshold sort of, you know. Okay, let's see. Let's do that. Let's grab this, pull it over here. I need to add the little bushes thing to it. On the side of it, sort of. Imagine building, Anna, you know what would be painful?
What?
Building the school in survival mode. Oh my gosh.
Oh, no.
That would take forever.
I know.
And you know what, in fact, I will not even be up to that challenge. I'll just be like, hope, more like, nope. I'm gonna use dark oak. I'm gonna use dark oak door. I'm gonna use dark oak doors for the library entrance. Okay, so that looks about right-ish. Let's grab some podzol. Podzol here. Let's grab some grass or dirt, whatever. Let's grab some leaves. Let's do this. Yeah.
Tell your sister and neighbor that I say hi.
Okay. I will. Let's see. I'm gonna add
Tell Ava, hey, and tell Ava
sand.
to call me. You know why?
No. I don't know anymore. I'm just doing my own thing right now. I don't get it. Let's do this.
Oh, that.
You know, I have not done in a while. I have not done a vlogging episode in a while, actually.
Meow, 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 meow,
I think my last vlogging episode was my epic build. I think it was that one.
meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Okay, so yeah, this looks about right. This is the route. This is pretty much the route I always take. This is pretty much the route I always take whenever I'm leaving school. Just okay,
Backside of the school, like,
no, I don't. Like uh, you know that bush place near the office. The bush place near the office. It's like a little trench of bushes. There.
yeah.
That's the route I take. That's the route. That's the route I take to. That's the route I take to get out of school. I run.
No, like, when you get, you go up the hill and then you go to the backside.
No. I don't do that.
Or do you go, like, way down and then you go up to the left?
I'm not sure. Let's see. Uh. Uh. Um. So many. Times, my gosh, I'm gonna die from it one day. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna need the iron doors. Let's see. What am I needing? I need sand for the sort of walls of the office. It's okay. No, I fell down. I fell down off a wall. I fell down off a wall of the school here. No, stop it. Okay, let's do that. This. I still need to add the nursing office over here. The nursing office is actually pretty simple. It might be the simplest item of the entire school, not counting the flooring. Let's see. I would say that the flooring is almost like a blue color, you know, of the office, or the main office, you know.
Usually gray and red.
Oh yeah, huh?
Gray, red, or like a sunflower with
Okay. Let's see.
a little brown.
Let's see.
But
Jeez.
or the white tent building would be purple, black, and gray.
You know what? That's actually a very good question. It's actually a very good question. I think I might bring that to the superintendent. I think I might bring that to the superintendent. Actually, I'm just gonna make it purple. I'm just gonna make it purple. Yes. Well, I'm not necessarily talking to Anna. She does a special guest in my video. That was my mom. Anna, do you think we should tell them, the audience, um, about us? Do you think we should tell them? Okay, so audience, I'm just gonna be brutally honest with you. Rated H for honest. Yes, I said that. Okay, rated H for brutally honest. Anna and I were actually dating, so she's my girlfriend. So it's like, yeah, do not tell anyone, please, 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 please. I just dug into the void on purpose. See, let's do this. Uh, actually, you know what? You know, be great on this map to actually bring it to life more.
Yeah, you should get more like realistic ones.
Shaders will be nice, but here's the problem. My device, my device is, my device store, my device memory is not strong enough to actually hold shaders. If I add shaders, I'm gonna be lagging. I'm gonna be lagging like there was no tomorrow. The lag will be horrendous. I swear.
Like it's gonna be super slow.
Yeah. And you know what? If I add shaders, I would have to say my game will probably be running at least like 3 frames per second, which is really really slow. Yeah, so it's like, um, so yeah,
How is your dog?
good, good, good. Um,
What about your English dog?
Hi, Anna. Noah?
yes, yes, mom, yes.
Change your dirty socks.
But mom,
Change your dirty
mom,
socks.
stop.
Change your dirty socks.
Mom, stop. Yes, I will.
You have to have those dirty socks on for 3 days.
Okay, sorry.
3 days.
Okay, you can go now. Audience, do not mind that. Well, like, you don't have to, but whatever.
Alright, I guess we will have to hang up because,
Parents?
yeah, I have to sleep now.
Okay. And so, guys, the special guest shall disappear. We will be streaming again tomorrow. Yay. Woohoo, swag.
Can I call you like at 1?
How about 2 or 3? Does 2 or 3 sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. If I'm even busy there. Okay, so I'm getting ready for outro. Bye. Bye, Anna. And my junior ODSTs, that is all for today. And also, this will be a multi-part series. There will be, at the very minimum, probably only like 20 episodes because hey, it's like this school. This school is about like Anna or not. Okay. This school, my guess. So guys, remember this is my guess. This school is about roughly like. This school is roughly about like 1.5 miles long. It's a pretty big. It's a very big school. Okay. Yeah. So, bye.